Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. In the previous videos, I covered the basics of Python, including variables, arithmetic operations, and conditionals. These are the building blocks of any Python program. If you missed any part of those tutorials, make sure to watch them to build a strong foundation. Each concept is crucial for understanding more advanced topics. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of loops in Python. Loops are essential for writing efficient and concise code. I'll show you how to write more efficient code using different types of loops. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use loops to automate repetitive tasks and handle large data sets with ease. Let's start with a while loop. While loops are used when you want to repeat a block of code as long as a condition is true. Here's a simple example of a while loop in Python. Python count equals $0 while count 5. In this example, we used a while loop to print values from 0 to 4, incrementing the counter each time. The loop continues to run as long as the condition count 5 is true. Pretty straightforward, right? Next, let's move on to a for loop using the range function. The loops are used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list, tuple, or string. Here's an example of a for loop using range. Python for I in range 5. This time we used a for loop with range to print values from 0 to 4. The range function generates a sequence of numbers, and the for loop iterates over each number in the sequence. Notice how concise and clean the code looks, for loops are often preferred for their simplicity and readability. Finally, let's see how to iterate over list elements using a for loop. Lists are one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. Here's an example of a for loop iterating over a list. Python fruits equals sign, apple, banana, cherry for fruiting fruits. In this example, we used a for loop to iterate through and print each element in the list. The loop goes through each item in the list and executes the print statement for each one. Easy, right? That's all for this video. I hope you found this tutorial on loops in Python helpful. Make sure to try out these examples and practice coding. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with using loops in your programs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. We have a lot more exciting content planned, so stay tuned.